A good Thursday afternoon to you. Lord of mercy, it's Dan. I sure enough want to welcome y'all to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having a sure enough good Thursday. But I'm here to tell you, over here in East Central Mississippi, it's a big difference from the last couple of days. It's cool and sunny. But what I wanted to share with you and y'all today is I want to do just a little small raised bed garden update just to show you what's growing on for the fall garden. So give me a second, and that's what we finna do. All right, you and y'all, here we go. Over here by these 16-foot raised beds, let me show you what's going on. We'll start off on this side. Lord of mercy, look at them dang collards. Those are the Georgia True Blue. And I'm here to tell you these guys are getting their grow on. Look how good, nice and pretty they look. Fertilization routine that I'm doing is helping really well with these plants. Look how pretty those leaves are. And I'm here to tell you, them jokers are growing. Cauliflower's looking good. It's getting its grow on. I may hit these guys with a little bit of water this evening, just due to we haven't had just a sure enough good soaking rain in the last couple of days. Here's the broccoli. Growing really good. And look at this cabbage. Oh my word. Look at the size. Lord have mercy. I'm going to say that the little fertilization routine or fertilizer that I'm putting out once a week, I think it's helping out a lot as far as how these guys are growing. Let me show you over here. Uh-oh, look what I see. Oh my word. Got a bunch of pole beans coming in, and these guys are growing really well. If y'all can see that, they're growing. I mean, I have clusters of them all over the place, and these again are the Kentucky Wonder and the Vortex beans. I mean, I have some small ones. So these guys are growing really well. It's matter of fact, tomorrow I'll probably do a picking on these guys. Look at there. So I'm really pleased with that, how these beans have taken off. The rutabagas are looking real good. The pole beans are shading out the light over here. But my 6 rutabagas are growing pretty good. There's Mr. Cushaw squash. I treated this guy with that water solution, boron, Epsom salt, and something else, but look at there. I don't know what's going on, but I don't know. Maybe these little small ones won't suffer from the blossom end rot. Maybe. And here is a rear shot of these beans. Here's the Vortex. That's the long bean. See how the difference between this one right here and this one? This is the Kentucky Wonder, and this is the Vortex pole bean. That is just cool as all get out. Oh, there's another one. Look at there. That joke has got to be every bit of 6-7 inches long. Well, maybe 8-9 inches, maybe. But really happy with how these pole beans have taken off. Let's go over to the south side of the 40, and I'm gonna show you what those carrots are looking like. All right, here's our other 3x8 raised bed, and guys are growing. Need to get this bed a drink of water, because it's good to keep these carrots watered in pretty good. I'm gonna say the germination rate on this is maybe 80%, and that's okay. I kind of understood that when I did it, because the soil in this raised bed is not really the best, so I'm gonna work on getting that soil good to go next year for whenever we plant in it again. And there's the garlic that I put in. Haven't seen anything on it. Well, I won't see anything on that, but I went ahead and mulched it in real good. And here is our Jerusalem artichokes. That soil is good and wet, so that's good. Lastly, it's the gourd forest. Got gourds everywhere. Never really expected to have this many gourds, but I have, I don't know, about 8 of them. And this little weird looking one right here. My peppers are still thriving. Here's my Tabascos. Speaking of Tabascos, I have something in mind. I'm probably gonna try to make some Tabasco pepper sauce. Well, not kind of like the store-bought Tabasco pepper sauce, but just a pepper sauce using these Tabascos. So I'll bring y'all along when I do that. But I have a bunch of them. You can see the red ones and the orange ones, and I got a bunch of green ones. So I'm definitely gonna do something with these Tabascos. And the jalapenos, I just eat those right off the bush. But it's starting to get cool, so I'm probably gonna try to harvest these peppers as fast as I can, because I don't know. We're supposed to be getting possibly some mornings that are in the 40s, the lower 40s. So I'm gonna try to get those peppers off as fast as I can. I surely don't want to lose them. Those habaneros over there are just rocking on. There's just habaneros all over the place on that thing. So there you have it, y'all. I just wanted to do a little small update as far as what's growing on over here for the fall garden. And you and y'all know I like to share. But I hope everybody's having a Show Enough Good Thursday. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home to 6 channel, y'all need to come on over and give me a look, because I'm always doing stuff. Really. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan Referee Show Enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. I mean nobody. You Show Enough get your shine on. And we will see you and y'all in the next video.